Hey guys, welcome to Tip of the Day. This is Viren here, and as you can see in this video we will do a quick checkout of LG Bluetooth speakers, the multimedia speakers. The model number is LH62B and these are 36 watt speakers. And a few things that you can see on the box. It supports FM radio, you've got a USB in, and that's about it. If I turn the box, talks about the price. It says around 6,000, that is 5,990, but I got these for a little less. I got these speakers with my LG smart TV. Alright, so let's just quickly open this and check this out. Alright, so I'm gonna Alright, so this is what we have in the box. Two small speakers and a subwoofer. The subwoofer is 10.5 inches in height and this is around 6 inches in breadth, and these are 5.25 inches in height and around 3 inches in breadth. So let's take a look at the functions that we have here in the front. Alright, so you see a port in here, that's an audio in, looks like a 3.5 mm jack. You've got a USB option here. Then you have the bass, you can increase and decrease the bass, the volume option, tuning for FM radio, and then you have the power button here. Then you also have the option F here, and I guess that stands for function, that is moving on from normal music mode to the radio mode or something like that. Okay, so now we will check out the rear of this subwoofer to see what options and what connectivities we have. Alright, so this is the rear of the woofer, and as you can see here, the wood that is used is not that great, the finish is not that good. Anyways, so these are the points where the cables for the speakers will go in, and you've also got the aux in options. And then the thing that you see here, this is the FM antenna. So that's about it, pretty simple. Alright, so let's connect it and see. Alright, let's start connecting the speakers to the woofer. So as you can see, the speakers are tagged. So this says FR, so I guess stands for front right. And if you see here, this one says FR. So what you need to do is you need to pull the cables a little bit like this. So as you can see, this is the red and black and this is just the red. So they have marked here, the red goes on the top, that's it. And the black part goes below. Doesn't take, it's done in seconds. That's it. So you're connected. Okay, so we are all set, all connected, and we will use the remote. So it's all plugged in at the back. So I'm going to use the remote here which came with the speakers. If you can see, the moment I turn on, you will see the display here. Let me focus a little bit more. There you go. So, and then I can use the functions button, which is this one, the F, and you see functions keep changing. USB, aux, port in is this, which is basically a 3.5 mm jack. Okay, I will try the Bluetooth first, and as you can see, I'll go to function. Keep changing. So Bluetooth is already set, my phone is already paired with it. It takes fractions of seconds to get this paired, and let me just show you a small pic which shows my phone is paired with this. And the moment I start playing songs from my phone, it starts playing on this, and the sound is very nice. Alright, now let's understand the other functions. Now USB is very simple. You move the function to USB and then start playing from here. And when it comes to the port in, now what you can do is you can use these 2 points on the back of the speaker, the woofer, and then this port which is a 3.5 mm, this can go into your phone. Or the other way around, what you can do is if you get something like this, you can put these connectors on the back of your set-top box, and then this point can go into the port in, so that you can use the sound coming from the set-top box using these speakers. So there are various types of connectors available, for these. What you can do is you get connectors wherein these will go into two sockets, and then on the other end you will have something like this. So there are different kind of sockets or connectors available. Alright, so let's get to the overall rating.
Okay, so here we are on the overall review, and these are some of the parameters that I could think of. So the very first one, design, is definitely more than average, so it's a 4 on 5. Build quality is also nice, so it's a 4 on 5 for me. Now ease of setup, you guys already saw, we can set it up in minutes, so it's an absolute 5 on 5. Bluetooth pairing ease, well, this is also 5 on 5. I could set up 2 of my phones in 2 to 3 seconds, not more than that. Sound clarity is a 4.5 on 5. This, the sound quality is nice for the amount that you're paying for, and the bass is not that much, and that's why you see a 3 on 5 on the next point. Radio tuning, I tried a couple of times. The basic reason I bought this for was Bluetooth. But radio was also good, so I would give it a 4.5 on 5. Remote range, I tried, a good 20-25 feet, and the remote was still working. And the last one, the last one, which is lag while playing through Bluetooth, absolutely not. So it was playing very smooth, even with a distance of when I was trying to change songs and trying to do something else through a range of 15-20 feet. I haven't tried more than that, but it was pretty smooth. Alright, so now let's move on to the pros and cons. Okay, so here are some of the pros and cons from my perspective. So the very first one, value for money, it is worth the price. It has got good sound clarity. The Bluetooth and remote ranges are really excellent. And if you want to move around the system here and there, you've got good lengthy cables from the speakers, so that's something which is very nice. The last one, this system can be used with multiple devices. Like I've used this with 2 of my phones, my PC, and also the set-top box, and it works like a charm. And I'm pretty sure it would also work, good with gaming console or tablet, although I've not tried it. The only cons that I could think of was the port-in point could have been on the rear of the woofer. Let's show you this particular point, 3.5mm jack. This could have been on the back of the woofer because when the cable goes from the front, it doesn't look good. The other thing I could think of when it comes to cons, the finishing of the rear woofer, which we already saw, could have been a little better. It looks very raw. It's not a neat finish. Anyways, so my overall take on this system is it's a really awesome system for the budget, for the price that they are asking, which is around 4,900 or 5,000. It's really nice system. So again, you are free to go do more checks, but if this review has helped you in some kind of decision making, I'm really glad. So guys, thank you for staying back on this video, and hopefully we'll catch up on the next video with a new gadget. So till then, thank you, bye.